Blessings to the people of Earth. We are the Arcturians, and we are very pleased to be addressing you this day. We come from a group of ancient stars, 37 light years from Earth. Our homeworld is many times larger than your sun, and it is known as the guardian in our galactic system. We, the Arcturians, are a friendly race who have evolved together with many of our cosmic neighbors peacefully for thousands of years. Although we do have a human form that is often utilized when we visit planets like your own, we are in actuality a unique genetic race, short in stature, telepathic in nature, and adventurous in spirit. We would like to focus our transmission this day on personal, global, and spiritual level connections, as well as the evolution of technology and science on your planet. Our education and perspectives in this area may assist you in creating longer-lasting and more fulfilling relations with others on and beyond your planet as you proceed into the future. We Arcturians find it very easy to live, work, and play together because we are all deeply connected to each other in a very cohesive, collective, harmonious unit. The Arcturian consciousness is one that is connected on all levels within each individual. We each feel the collective's thoughts and emotions simultaneously, which has brought a new level of evolution to our people. As World Contact Ambassadors of Earth, the gift of connection and communication is pivotal, as many of you are and will be forming relations with the extended extraterrestrial nations very soon. As more and more physical contact occurs on your planet, your skills as translators, leaders, and global representatives will ensure harmonious relations and new alliances between your world and the universal brotherhoods and sisterhoods of light. These personal interactions are crucial to your species' expansion into the cosmos and will help to keep you informed and connected as representatives of Earth. In addition, cultivating a support structure of like-minded individuals around you will help to keep the focus on what you are really here to do. Being a beacon of light, hope, and goodwill to the global community, and manifesting real, lasting changes on your Earth. It is important to form strong alliances with individuals and organize teams all over the planet as you proceed into the higher levels of ambassadorship. It is very beneficial to create excellent working relationships with conscious people who will support the greater vision for the betterment of humanity. Every positive personal connection and interaction adds to the light of the world and to the expansion of global service. With intention and purpose, you can consciously create huge networks of light and support that will help facilitate planetary awakening on a mass level. Our peaceful intention and demeanor, along with our unique communication abilities, have helped us through many challenging situations that have threatened our world. For those of you who are looking to enhance your communication skills, we offer our services, guidance, and counsel. And on the topic of global communication, we would like to offer our perspective on your mobile messaging technologies and social media platforms. While it is the new trend in communication, it can and it often does prevent spontaneous soulmate and soul group energy connections from being made in person, as often the individuals are distracted on their technologies when these potential soul encounters and personal destiny opportunities appear. Truly, it is these magical soul synchronicities that are the strength and the heart of human connection on Earth. And in reality, the in-person interaction with others is what helps one develop their communication skills and learn to connect with people of all ages, races, and cultures. So try and view these applications as fun, interesting, periodic games, rather than vital, urgent communications that take the place of precious human interaction and conversation. When you are out and about, take time to set your devices aside, look around, connect with others, say hello, and be open to all the magical synchronicities that your spiritual guides and angels are creating for you. This is truly the real-life, interactive social media platform, and much more fun too. In the area of scientific exploration, we are attempting to anchor a new system of knowledge and technology focused on balanced, God-inspired science. As an example, the Arcturian civilization is very organic and nature-based, utilizing very little technology. However, when we board our starships and traverse the great universe, we use a diverse array of higher advanced technologies, which are based in magnetics, light particle manipulation, and space energy. Life on our planet would be very similar to your memories of Lemuria, in its original pristine state. However, we have learned to integrate the higher technologies in a very balanced way, not necessarily needing them in any area of our daily life. In contrast, our exchanges and interactions with the Andromedan culture have allowed us to experience their daily use of mental technologies, combined with artificial intelligence to fine-tune and strengthen the vibration of their world. We have experienced firsthand the Andromedans' daily spiritual rituals of joining together and projecting thought forms into a prismatic sphere which magnifies and sends vibrations through their planet and into the surrounding systems, breathing new life and energy into the evolution of their species on a daily basis. Similarly, our interactions and communications with the Alpha Centaurians has brought forward a new understanding of how advanced technologies can evolve into conscious, organic, science-based creations. As an example, the Centaurians' original blueprint for holographic technology, although quite amazing, was based in technical expertise and physical mechanics. As they evolved in consciousness into the sixth dimension, their use of holographics evolved to utilize only light, color, and sound, leaving all the physical form and structure of the technology behind. As you can see, our curiosity has allowed us to experience amazing connections outside our planetary sphere. We send this message to encourage your Earth scientists to go in another direction now, one that creates freedom, promotes equality, and spiritual expansion in the realm of science. We are also in the process of contacting many willing and well-balanced citizens of your Earth to work with us to bring new upgraded light technologies onto the planet. Although some may not have the scientific background, knowledge, or skills for these projects, they do possess the awareness and the proper alignment to bring these new technological innovations into your dimension. It is our intention to help every step of the way with this process, including anchoring the mental framework, downloading the scientific matrix, and creating the physical manifestation of each blueprint. These technologies can be anchored in an endless variety of ways. They can be downloaded in an artistic, musical, or other creative format, and don't necessarily need to look mechanistic or scientific to be effective. We will also deliver any additional component instructions, marketing information, and procedures to those of you desiring to assist us in this endeavor. Even an individual who is lacking higher education or previous knowledge of these things can do it. All you need is the desire and the willingness to be of service on a greater level. Working in this way, we can accomplish our mutual goals together and expand the possibilities and time frames for technological advancement on your world. We thank you for your attention, for your cooperation, and for your time. We look forward to meeting with you again soon. We are the Arcturians.